Hey guys, it's Apollo part 2. I'm starting the vlog. It is December 30th. Oh. Hey Jade. I think that's Kimmy.
Is that my sister? Yeah.
Hey Kimmy.
Yeah. How you back feeling?
It's December 30th.
You
10:07 a.m. and I'm in the green room.
In the back like a fat ass.
You gonna do that though.
But yeah, let me show you my fit. So I have on my gray skim set with my black essentials hoodie and my easy wave runners. And I got on my coat. And yeah.
Hey it's me, Steve. Oh my god, wait. I don't know where the fuck I'm looking. I'm not a vlogger, y'all. I'm not a vlogger. But yeah, today's show day. We look too good. I look too good.
So yeah.
Right, like I don't know where I'm looking, but show is not supposed to be
Hey guys. So I got Chick-fil-A for breakfast.
right, like
I got YouTube for breakfast, you got. Not YouTube.
inches. Y'all see that? Y'all see the progress since last show? Y'all seen the progress since last show? A year?
Yes.
Y'all
So
see that?
I got Chick-fil-A. Okay, we done. I got Chick-fil-A for breakfast, y'all. I had some chicken minis and some hash browns. It was so good, like. Yeah, it was so good. Oh, 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 oh. Hey y'all.
Hey y'all.
Oh my god.
Introduce yourselves, because y'all new to the vlog.
My name is Rain.
That's Rain, y'all.
My name is Julia.
Period. These are the minis, you guys. They be eating it up. They be like, that's how we ball out. Come on, Rain.
Come on, Rain. That's how we pull out.
That's how we ball out. Save my money, save my money. Say hey, Fatu.
Say hey, Fatu.
Oh, period.
Shot Utopia. Yeah.
I see. Not
I'm wearing some jeans, some flare jeans. Hold on. Girl, I can't. But I got some flare jeans. Yo. And then a baby. Y'all see the Gats? Okay, y'all see the Gat 3000. Don't play. Ever. Don't ever play. But yeah, it's show day. The girls are excited.
Yo, I know how to ride fast.
He's trying to set it up. No louder. He threw the blanket on. Wait.
So who going first? They going at the same time.
Oh, y'all going at the same time? Yeah. Hold on, let me go first. Put the blanket on. So guys, we're about to watch them battle. For the spot. For the spot.
For the spot, y'all.
We are guys. Don't mind my hair, y'all. I get my hair done.
Jaden was late, so I got his hair.
After this. I get my hair done after this. It's New Year's. We are outside.
By me. Sky, what are you doing? She bad enough. Get off the stage. We gotta. This is serious.
Because we dead serious. If you don't want to be in a vlog, you better go to that. Because this going on YouTube.
I'm so serious.
Let's go.
Smoking weed out the container.
Sky carry too. I'm not gonna
We spend cash for entertainment.
She pissed off. I mean, it's hot. Put your letters in the air, guys. Put your letters in the air. And also, okay, say blue red. Yes. I'm so over you.
Hey guys.
You're gonna. Ooh.
I used to think that I was
Yes.
okay.
Uh-huh.
I used to think that I
got women. Yes. Woo! Yes. Ooh.
Hey vlog, I'm back. Let me catch y'all up. I had to decompress a little bit, but we did that. So we organized all the costumes. Something happened with, I hope y'all didn't see that. Something happened with our original costumes, so we had to get new ones for the past 2 days. So we did that, and now I'm about to go do my makeup. But first I'm gonna change my shirt. Yeah, I'm about to do my makeup and what else? Because it's, well, I'm so off. It's 1:32 p.m. right now. The show starts at 2 o'clock, and we have to have our makeup and change and everything ASAP. So we do that now. So I'll be back when I'm starting my makeup. Hey vlog, we're all dressed and ready. Hold on, wait a minute. Cute. Okay, you look cute. Yeah, I was gonna say, girl, you look cute. Not you covering her. Okay. Cute. I wish my hair was in there. Hey. I'm sorry. Period. I did Ashley's audition. Yeah. 1, 2, 1, 2. Period. I beat the face. I feel like I be looking like, not, you said a cat. I feel like I look like a deer, like Bambi. And I have my makeup on. How?
I see a deer too, but
like Bambi. Soraya. Yeah.
are not the original.
Hey guys, say hi to the vlog. Hey. Pink twin period. Zip your jacket up a little bit. Okay.
What? I wasn't.
Oh. Yes, Jay. Get that ponytail. Okay, Miss Tambourine.
I didn't say.
Okay, Lip. Wait. Do you want to play a game? Double. Anyways, let me show you how the full thing.
Full fit. Fit check.
Sweats from H&M, jackets from Rainbow, boots from Rainbow, Facebook, period. I hope y'all heard what I said. I said
Munchies from P.
Period. I said sweats from H&M, jacket from Rainbow, boots from Rainbow, and face beat by the baddest. No bar. Miss J, say hi to the vlog. Miss J.
No, you have to just be. You know.
She said.
Give the people what they want.
Period. Too bad love. You look so good. Twin. Kanaya. Yes, yellows giving bananas. They didn't hear it. Hey, when they hear that, they ain't gonna be too happy. No bars. Okay guys, we just did a couple run-throughs and we go on in probably like 10 minutes.
Hey I'm ready, like it's about to be too fun. Y'all see the black magic? The black king?
Not the black magic.
You're intermission
Oh, no.
right now.
Oh, he
Open up the intermission. Right. It's the family award, and then we'll go after.
The pink eats, yeah.
no bars. Listen to TikToks. A fat minute. We did the first dance. We ate it up. Period. But guys.
Hi guys.
Look at Captain Cookhouse.
I look insane.
We're in the thing. You know they have me as co-dance dance. They can't spell for nothing.
Damn, they don't respect your shit.
Shut up. Anyways.
They spell my shit right, guys.
They put an I in it.
You're lying. She's a hater, but she's making shit up to make herself feel better.
Anyways,
Guys, let me tell you a secret. So we just had a battle because I'm gonna tell y'all later.
Hey.
I'm wearing these sweater.
Period. It was mad good on you too. You need a green scrunchie. Put that shit the fuck up.
That's probably a good one.
But yeah, so now we're about to get ready for the second one. This is where all the families are. We ate the first one, but this one is gonna be like.
Not her minimum.
Hold on, let me do a
Eating it up. We're gonna die.
Show him. Wop. What? Guys, watch out. Jaden is doing the walk. Watch out.
What's your spot?
Oh. Bitch, get the fuck out of me.
I have What happened to that?
5, 6, 7. That's unheard of. Let's be so fair. Watch the video. That's your battle. I don't have to waste my energy on these hoes. Guys, you know. Y'all heard them cheering. I didn't hear scared.
She said you're scared. She said you're scared.
I don't have to explain myself to them. Let me talk to them. I don't have to. Where's the camera? 5, 6, 7. Keep it up. Okay. I don't have to explain myself to none of these girls. I've been that bitch. I'm that bitch in real life, and y'all know it. What the fuck was that?
I want to do a battle. So you're scared or you're just...
Listen, and that whole shot sleep, do you, babe? I'm a bad bitch in real life. I don't need to battle nobody. I'll battle on the stage. You can watch the videos and take that home. I mean, they like it. Yeah.
Hi guys.
Period. Not you in my mouth. Just want me to eat that shit.
Would you be like
So I get dressed.
on the left or the right?
I'm about to get dressed. I'm about to fix this makeup. I'm about to like put... I don't like all of this. So I'm gonna re-put foundation on this part. Because I don't like that I do this all the way up. And yeah.
The face is beat though. Don't ever get it.
No, but in the picture, the flashback is flashback and I don't like that. So right now I'm about to get dressed, but I really have to poop. Ooh. Real bad.
I'm about to get dressed. Come back. I'm still in Allison's vlog. I'm telling y'all, I'm still in Allison's vlog. I'm gonna steal Allison's vlog. And I'm gonna come back to y'all. And I'm gonna show y'all my fit. I showed you my fit earlier too. But I feel like putting it on the second time is just gonna eat real bad. Like, I'm gonna show y'all my fit. Hey guys, I'm back. I'm in my costume. I had to use the bathroom, but there's a whole long line of people. So I just couldn't use the bathroom. But I'm in costume. I can't figure out how to work this tripod, Allison. I'm struggling. But girl, I'm gonna see. Y'all don't even need a fit check. Y'all know what's going on. Y'all know what's on the body. So yeah. Huh? I'm not talking to myself, I'm vlogging. Miss Tammy, don't do that. Say his vlog. Let me get cute for you. Tammy, say hi, y'all.
Hi.
Tammy said hi, y'all.
Miss Tammy.
Miss Tammy. I was rhyming it with Cammy.
Okay.
Get it?
Tammy.
Yeah, you know.
Miss Tammy.
Yeah, Miss Tammy. Don't ever play with her. Big Tammy, never little. Big Miss Tammy, never little.
I don't like that. Cause fuck you.
It's a TikTok where it's like, when were you born? She said 2000. She said 2003. She said,
Period, getting ready.
She said 19.
Excuse me.
Hello. He's speaking.
To body the stage, I'm putting on these shoes, which are very, very tight.
His lemon pepper stuff.
You took the soles out? You could do that? I did.
Yes,
I
take
did.
them out.
I mean, I'm gonna put them back, but
Take them out.
Yeah.
for the moment,
We gonna see y'all. But yeah. Hey Allison. Hey editing Allison.
yeah, I just
Love you, girl.
My makeup up. I put some lashes on the ends. And Kelly Kells. Give a natural face. Give a body tea fit giving hello. Oh. She just ate y'all. Oh my god, the camera's about to die, but I'm gonna insert some clips of us actually doing the show right now. See y'all later. Bye.
Do you want to play a game? Only one adjective to exemplify your person. Your name. Bang that head like it's just got one question.
forgot. Pick, but I am on my